Ebola virus disease is a deadly disease caused by a virus that is transmitted from wild animals such as monkeys, gorillas, antelope, and porcupines. It is spread through human secretions, blood, organs, and direct contact, which is how the virus stays alive. After the disease enters the body, it instantly kills cells, causing them to explode. It also destroys the immune system, which causes heavy bleeding inside of the body and damage to almost every organ. Symptoms of Ebola may appear instantly or within a few days. Common symptoms are fever, which is number 1, headache, muscle pain, weakness, diarrhea, vomiting, stomach pain, and unexplained bleeding. Survival and treatment is well dependent on the patient's immune system. There is no cure or vaccine to prevent the disease. The most common treatment is keeping patients hydrated and helping them breathe to give their immune systems a better chance to fight off the disease. Other treatments include experimental treatments such as blood transfusions from other survivors. The antibodies in the blood will help the patient's immune system. Some patients may have vision problems that include pain and pressure in the eyes. This infection in the eyes is what scientists call post-Ebola syndrome. The initial case for Ebola was on December 2013. This case involved a baby who had been infected by bats in Guinea. It spread to the city's capital on March 13, 2014 and continued to spread. But the largest outbreak was in West Africa from 2014 to 2016 with 28,600 cases. Between 2014 and 2016, 11 people were treated for Ebola. In the United States, only 4 became ill after arriving back. At this time, healthcare workers caring for the people with Ebola were at higher risk for contracting the disease. The Ebola hemorrhagic fever is the main prognosis, and it is a poor prognosis. This fever is considered to be one of the most lethal viral infections. With a fatality rate up to 90%, surviving the disease is unlikely, and if you do survive, then you will have long-term complications. The most recent news about Ebola is the outbreak that is still going on. It's ongoing in the Democratic Republic of Congo. The Ebola outbreak now has hit a record of 27 new cases confirmed in one day. And that concludes my research on the Ebola virus disease.